How is Microsoft Teams going to change your life? Well, I'm here to actually talk to you about what Teams is and answer this question in the process. My name is Connie, and let's get into it and find out what this is all about. Can you imagine a day when your inbox is not full? When you're not bombarded with emails from everybody in the office or organization? What would it look like to have everything in one place? All your texts, messages back and forth, those emails, the notes, the documents, that project, and everything together. How about the idea of getting rid of stacks and stacks of paper, or maybe copious amounts of sticky notes that are all over the place? What would that feel like to have easy access to those notes? Would this help you arrive early to meetings, or maybe end your workday earlier? Maybe there would be less stress in your life and of course, less frustration. And you'd have this feeling of, oh, I've accomplished something, or, I can see it clearly now. Well, this is all about Teams. And I'm going to talk to you about what Teams is and how all of this really is possible. We can use Teams anywhere, can use Teams anytime, and on any device. It's effective communication. This is point number one here. We have the ability to quickly and easily see a thread of messages. Can go back and forth. So no matter when I sent that first message, people can reply to that original message at any time. Second advantage of Teams is that productivity can increase. Everyone has the same message at the same time, and as a result, the communication is flowing easily and collaboration happens naturally. If a new team member happens to join in the conversation later on down the road, they can still see all the previous conversations. They have instant access to that. Third advantage, we have Microsoft Teams integrated with really everything Microsoft. And so that means not only can we access our Word and Excel and PowerPoint files, and those could be directly from a filing area within SharePoint or maybe even OneDrive, or it could be that we have a tab and that file is already open and ready for us to work on. We also have access to OneNote, Microsoft Planner, which lets us do tasks for ourselves or tasks within our group, so that we can delegate and share information and help everybody know where everybody else is at. And then of course there's things like Yammer and many other applications, both being Microsoft applications or outside applications that integrate seamlessly with Teams. Teams syncs with your calendar, pulls in all your existing appointments. And when you are creating a new meeting within your team, you're going to see suggested times right as soon as you type in that team member's name and that possible date. It's going to show you other times or the best times that that person's available, or if there's a group of people, with the best time that that group of people is available. Another big advantage of Microsoft Teams is the ability to work better together, to be able to work on the same document at the same time, to be able to collaborate so that you can share the same presentation and actually be chatting back and forth on it. Maybe you want to just chat with the team about something, or have a meeting online, or share some notes, or share calendars, share information, share files, share emails, share just about anything within the team. That helps you work better together. And then my final advantage for you in terms of what Teams does and how it can help you as a team is really Teams is an application like no other, and it can be customized like no other. And so how I want you to think about that is that Teams is plural, meaning that you can be on more than one team, and what one team needs for information and applications could be different than another team. So this team over here needs some mind mapping application, whereas this team over here needs some marketing applications. Along with all the standard stuff, you have hundreds and hundreds of apps to choose from. From this, I hope you see that Microsoft Teams is an amazing product, definitely worth checking out. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.